Well, that's another old friend of mine. He's been sitting idle for a very long time, a few months. Somewhere around at least 3 or 4 months. And I haven't started it yet. It's pretty clean. I just added fuel, as I said. And it's pretty clean. And I'm going to take it out and run it. So we don't have in this 460 a purge bulb. So what I'm going to do is just pull it a few pulls, pushing the compression release button or valve. That will be much easier to pull the engine. Now what I'm doing now is just waking up the fuel pump in the carburetor, because as you crank it easily, not a brisk pull like when you start it, just like this, even a bit more, it sends pulses of pressure or vacuum through the from the crank case to the carburetor, to the fuel pump. So that moves the pump membrane and pulls a little gasoline. That should help us out when we want to start a cold engine that's been sitting for quite a while. We'll take it out and see how it runs. Well, just improvise. I don't have a tripod or something, so I hope the table won't shake just enough to tilt or drop the phone. So let's see. I have right about here. So such a heavy saw. You just pull your legs together. You can either cross them like this, but you don't have to. I'm hoping that this is inside the frame. I push the pressure release valve, give it a few pulls like this, like prime the fuel pump in the carburetor. So make sure the brake is on, the valve is pushed, choke. Let's see if it goes. 4 months. Now as you pull it briskly, the valve jumps back up, so you can push it back in so you don't mess up your palm. Just one click up. First shots of oil is probably old oil. I'm going to run it a little more, see if the new oil comes out. go. See, now there's a clear line of new holes. Again, I'm holding the chainsaw tight to the table. I don't want this to happen. I'm gonna let it idle for just a moment. Let the fuel and oil mixture reach all the parts and surfaces of the engine and the crank. That'll be enough. Now this chainsaw is ready to store for another while. Take care. Be safe. See you on the next one.